to that delivery, and that's gone straight down the ground and on top of the roof above us.
Gone. Bring the balls back on the field because that one's out of here.
Wow, out of the ground. What a shot from Chris Gale.
Dominance, particularly on Mark Gillespie.
And it's working.
That is massive. It's huge.
That's high. That's gone a long way. Wow.
High and handsome from Gale.
But that will take some pulling back. That is gone well. Where's it? No, he's picked it. That was a slow delivery. I promise you. That will be another lost ball. It should be. No, just.
Gone again. Another hero maximum.
Equal second fastest 50 by a West Indian. Equal second fastest 50. Has he gone again? Yes, he has.
Anything else?
No wonder.
That is the most sensational shot of the day, and we've seen a few.
That's high. That's gone a long way. Wow.
Spoke too soon. You spoke too soon, Chopali.
Has he gone again? Yes, he has. Yes.
Oh, yes. That's him. That's what they come to see.
That's gone for 6 as well.
Well, catch that one. If you're
Gillespie.
That's working.
That is massive. It's huge. It's in someone's backyard, and if you don't want to throw it back, folks, don't. Get him to sign it later. Doesn't he like hitting big sixes at this ground? Test match, we saw one on the roof here right above us. And this one here into the backyard, and people, that is a huge hit.
It's gone a mighty long way. In fact, it's gone all the way into the crowd. The first 6 of the innings, and there's no guessing who hit it. Chris Gale.
He's gone again. That's another one. Onto the sandy area, into the beach. And certainly life's a beach for Chris Gale. But it's what they want, the West Indian fans. They want to see the West Indies romp to victory. There he goes, and that's a really big one. Tremendous hit. Up and under. Captain, we have taken.
He goes high and he goes hard, and he's gotten 6 for it, Chris Gale. And there's been some damage done to the sponsors board. Looks to be Marsh, the fielder.
One-handed. One-handed. Remarkable.
swung so hard at this. There goes the top hand off the bat, but well timed. That gentleman over there ducking for cover. 6 more to Chris Gayle.
Well, that's another one. That's even bigger. Straight hit just below the top deck of the Joel Garner end.